Hey guys, showing you this cell phone stand with a wireless Bluetooth speaker. So this can be a great gift. You can see like the gift box comes in a nice gift box, and this is the mobile stand or with the Bluetooth speaker. So this is the charging cable. This is the rechargeable pack or the speaker. This is the speaker itself. This is the manual that describe. So this is the Bluetooth speaker. So we can just open it. You can see the cushion here, and this is the speaker inside. There are the buttons, so just long press to on it. So the Bluetooth will be on. You can connect it with your mobile, and you can just put it on the stand, and I can hear it through that. So I'm just trying to connect it with the Bluetooth here, and the connection with the setting. So the mobile is easily fit on this. You can use any side. So here I'm just connecting it to the Bluetooth. Once connected, I'm just playing a royalty free video or the music. So very nice soothing music. So the quality is nice, and then you can just pack it up. You can also use it to recharge your mobile or any other device, or charge this speaker. So it's very nice set.